Hello and welcome back. My name is Matt Taylor and this is my variety channel. Time for another Elden Ring video. Today I'm going to show you how to kill the Deathbird in the Weeping Peninsula. And to find the Deathbird, follow this area right here, right along that wall up there. And I'll put a little marker right there. That's where you will find the Deathbird. And now you want to, I'm going to get on my horse, so wait a minute. I need to make sure that it's nighttime. So go ahead and rest and get it to, I like to make it so it's fresh nightfall, just in case the battle takes long. You usually have plenty of time, and once it's night, I want to also show you the stats that I have right here. And so I am level 56, and you can see that I have what talismans that I'm wearing. I like to use the lance talisman because I'm going to be doing this battle on the horse, and it really helps to use the lance on the horse. So now let's cruise on over there to that location. And you can see the castle back there in the in front. And just go up this path up to the right here and head on over to the marker. And you can fight those if you want or leave them be. It's kind of nice to get rid of them so they're not interfering with the battle, but you can see that the Deathbird has spawned already. And there it is. And so for this, I picked up my runes. I'm going to stay by its midsection and feet and just kind of ride in a circle right around it like this, taking whacks at it. And I will, it'll help me dodge his attacks, and then I switch and go the other way. And then when I am down in health, I'll just run away a little bit and come back in. Just again, keep whacking at that midsection and the lower, the legs. The mouth or the face is the most vulnerable, but I have better success just going here at the midsection and the legs. And this is kind of the technique I use for most of the Deathbird battles. And it really helps me, so try this method out and see if you can do it this way. Again, I like to be on the horse for the most part. It's just a lot easier, at least for the beginning Deathbirds. And there you go. And then the Deathbird has been failed, and you get that sacrificial axe with it. Pretty cool. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. Take care.